Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about 4-channel traffic light controller. This device is the latest traffic light controller ever you will see, and you will understand shortly what I mean. You can have all your expectation from a traffic light controller in this box, and it is 4-channel. Okay, and the end of the video I'm going to talk about its coolest feature. There is no other controller right now exists in the world like this. Okay, so let's talk about its feature now, and before that I'm going to start with the wiring. The first subject we are going to talk about its wiring. I'm going to unplug my traffic light right now to have the better light. So this is the wiring I used in my demo. I used 110 volt, and you can use any volt between 90 to 250 volt. Okay, and I have 4-channel here. I use normally open and comes. Okay, then let's say if you have a DC powered lights or loads, you can use this diagram. And the other thing I would like to talk about is the power source for the controller. Either you can use 110. In my example I used 110 and I shared the same voltages with my lights, or in order to power the controller I can use 7 to 30 volt. Let's say you are going to use 15 volt, then positive is going to be in this pin and ground is going to be here. On the other side, if you are going to use 5 volt, positive pin is going to be here and ground is going to be here. Alright, so now let's go back to our traffic light again, and I'm going to talk about the motion. What is motion? Motion is for a light in order to turn on and off. For example, right now it is completing one of the motion here. Now it is on the second motion. Now it is on the third motion. Okay, those are going to be in the loop like that. Let's think about a cycle. So from motion to 3, there is a cycle here going on, and you can give each motion different names. Default values are going to be M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. It goes like that. However, on the other side, in order to make it easy, you can call different names here. I call green, yellow, red. We will see shortly how we are doing. And I said it is 4-channel. I already connected my bulb here, which is white color. By the way, this is green color, this is yellow, this is red. I'm not sure how it appears on your screen, but I need to tell you too. This is white. Okay, as you see, white is not on. In order to activate that, I'm going to hit this button here at the motion. Oh, first of all, I need to connect this device to the Wi-Fi network of this controller. This controller has built-in Wi-Fi. Okay, so we are almost there. Stay connected, then go back to the here. Okay, now we need to log in. Okay, now default screen, you are going to see those, and our goal is to activate this white bulb. So default name is going to be M4. You can change this one if you want white. Then this device, I'm going to talk about this later. Then here we are going to select the relay. Relay means the light. Then okay, before this, let me talk about something. So green color is between 0 to 5. Yellow is running between 5 to 7. Red is running between 7 to 12. So after the 12, it goes back to the 0. Then again 5 to 7 yellow, then 7 to 12 red, then it goes back to the 0 again. So now we are going to add another motion here for the white. Let's stay the name with the M4. If you want, you can change again. I told you. Then number 4. Then here between the 12 and 15, let's keep this white only 3 seconds, and let's have that one to flush. It is going to flush like on duration is going to be 0.5 and off duration is going to be same half second. Okay, if I hit add, now we have a 4 motion here. Now after the red, as you see, white is flashing. Cool, right? Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, now let's talk about the stop and start feature. If you want to stop your light sequence, what you are going to do is just hit the stop. Now your light is stopped. It is not running anymore. If you want to turn off all of them, you just need to hit turn off button. If you want to turn on all, you are going to hit turn on all button. See, I'm not sure if you can see the differences here. Now I'm going to turn off all, turn on all, turn off all, turn on all. Okay, so now the other cool feature of this device is it has a manual light sequence. You can control manually. Again, this device is this device, so I select this device and I have relay 1 here, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. So each one is representing another light here. If I click manually one of them, let me put this light here, I mean phone here a little bit more closer. So let's hit relay 1. Cool, right? Relay 2, relay 3, relay 4. Yeah, this is how it is. Now let me turn on this one too. Cool, right? Okay, now turn off all. Yeah, so what is the coolest feature of this device? Now that is the time. Okay, so let's say you have 4-channel traffic light controller here and you have 4 lights and you want to connect, let's say four more, but it is not available here. How are you going to do it? Okay, you are going to have another controller like this. You are going to put next to it, and I'm going to show you shortly. You can connect this device to this device without any wiring, and they are going to work together. So one of them is going to be master, the other one is going to slave. What you are going to do, you are going to access first to the slave one. Okay, then you are going to get the MAC address of this device and copy that address, put into the master and give a name. That's it. Then you will have, after the 4, you are going to have 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th channel in front of you, and you are going to have 8 channel system traffic light controller. So now when you hit after you add, you are going to see another device name here. Where are you going to do it? You are going to come here, devices, then you will write the second device name. You can call this slave. For example, you can call this one slave 2. Here you are going to write slave 2. Then you are going to write the MAC address of this slave 2 here, then add. As soon as you add, then unplug and plug back both device, you are going to have another option here, this device and slave. Okay, so if you, that's it. That is the coolest feature. So think about that. You can have 4 channel, you can have 8 channel, you can have 12 or 24. You can control your full intersection with pedestrian, green and stop lights. Isn't it cool? All right, so please let me know if you have any question, and I will try to make more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.